Now, if you've been in the dropshipping space, everyone in the space is going to tell you to use Zendrop, Spocket, or CJ Dropshipping. It's usually one of these three that everyone recommends, and that is the reason why you're failing. These are the same three things, couple more that everyone recommends, and these are the reasons why you're not able to build a store that is successful. Your suppliers are flawed. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 best dropshipping suppliers that you should use that no one's really talking about but are the most effective. These are ones that are not saturated but perform the best. When you're using Zendrop, Spocket, or CJ Dropshipping, or even AutoDS, you're basically competing with 50,000 other dropshippers that are getting the same products, same advantages, and nothing different. You're not really standing apart, and the service is also subpar. So today I'm going to give you not one, not two, but 5 suppliers that no one's really talking about, but we've tested, it works, and I recommend you use as well. If you use these, you're going to be way ahead of all your competition, and you're going to be on your way to build a successful store. With that being said, I'm offering a free audit of your store and ad account. If you have a store, you're running ads but you're not getting sales, you're struggling with your store, click the first link in the description, fill out the form, we'll do a free audit for you. With that being said, let's jump right into the first supplier that I recommend you use, which is Eprolo. Now, the best thing about this platform is it is forever free. There is no fees, there's nothing you need to pay to start. It is absolutely free and you get all the features like some of these other suppliers. Now, with this free plan, you also get access to over 100,000 products across more than 100 niches, and you can also add your branding and packaging with zero minimum order requirement. Now, that is an advantage that most people won't have. This is going to help you stand out as a brand and get more sales because you now have your own packaging, have your own branding. And guess what? No other dropshipper has that. So now you're not a dropshipping brand, but you're an actual brand that people trust and can buy from. Now, the advantage of having this is you're not paying for a subscription when you don't even have some sales because the platform is absolutely free. You basically pay for what you buy. So you can test, validate your product without having to be in the minus with your subscriptions. Now, I don't want to just give you the good parts of each supplier. I'm also going to give you the cons. Some of the cons that we have experienced with the supplier is just inconsistency, sometimes with quality control. Now, again, this has happened a handful of times, but again, I'm going to be honest and upfront with you guys. Sometimes there might be a little inconsistency with quality control, but other than that, this is an excellent option if you want to test and validate a product, get some sales, and then obviously eventually once you have consistent sales coming in, you want to make sure you buy your own stock. Now, that's a whole other video for some other day, but this is the first supplier that I recommend you use, which no one really talks about. The second supplier is Trendsi. Now, this is one that is heavily used in the TikTok shop ecosystem. And almost none of the big dropshipping YouTubers are covering this because it's not a generalist platform. It's built for one category only. Now, this is mainly a US-based fashion apparel dropshipping platform, and the thing that makes it stand out is the shipping speed. That is the key component of this because for this, the inventory is being held in the US warehouses, so most orders arrive in about 2 to 5 days. So you're already beating everyone who takes 2 to 3 weeks because they're buying from other suppliers by a mile. So you are already in the green. Now, again, this is mainly focused on apparel and fashion niche. If you're in apparel and fashion niche, this is going to be amazing for you because, again, 2 to 5 days, it's based out in the US. You can mention that on your marketing and your product page as well. And it's going to be a huge advantage. Now, with this supplier, you can also have private labeling. They have a very low minimum requirement for product quantity if you want to private label, which again gives you a huge advantage compared to any of your competitors. And on top of that, if you're also marketing on TikTok Shop, the integration is seamless. Again, a very, very, very good option if you're in the fashion apparel niche, something I don't see anyone else talk about on YouTube and share with you guys. So if you like this video so far, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe. And with that being said, I do have to share some cons that I've experienced with this. One of the biggest cons is stock availability because, again, this is in the US. It's one of the best for fashion and apparel. And fashion apparel is something that does go out of stock very frequently. The stock can be a little inconsistent. For that, simply make sure you reach out to them so you know exactly how much stock they have and you can keep a track of that as well. Now, the third supplier I recommend you use is Syncee. Now, this is one that solves a completely different problem, and this is something that's going to be very beneficial to a lot of you guys. So what basically this is a global marketplace with over 12,000 vetted suppliers. Now, that's a key point here because these are not just suppliers that anyone can come and sell, but they are vetted. And also, these are spread across US, UK, Europe, and Australia. That means you have multiple coverage from multiple countries, different warehouses, and all the suppliers are vetted personally, right? And what I love about this platform is the databases, the dashboard. You can actually have a huge catalog of products that you can choose from, and they can source it for you. And again, because all of these suppliers are vetted, There's no problem with consistency of quality control. There's no problem with shipping times. Everything is consistent and reliable. Also, it's super easy to integrate with any major Shopify or other platforms that you can host your store on. So it's easy to connect. There's no problems with tracking inventory or knowing exactly how many products you have before you sell out. So cons, there are no real cons that I've experienced personally with them. Now, the only thing I would say, we have had scenarios where we've needed customer support. Sometimes it's a little slow, but that is something that I think is going to be on the minimum if you actually go ahead and use them. So I definitely recommend you take a look, you check them out, sign up, and see if it's a great fit for you. I think for most of you, it would be a great fit. If you really use it, do let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, let's jump to the fourth supplier that I recommend you use, which is Ship to the Moon. Now, this is where we're getting into giving you the biggest edge over anyone else that's relying on AliExpress, Zen, Pocket, or any of those. And this is because Ship to the Moon basically operates as a sourcing and fulfillment agent, a fulfillment partner, rather than just a product directory. What I basically mean by this is you tell them exactly what product you want. They go ahead, connect with manufacturers and factories, and help you get the best quote for the cheapest price with the fastest shipping possible. So now basically you're going from just every other dropshipper to someone who has actual connections with direct factories and manufacturers, and that is an edge that's going to set you apart from most of the competitors and give you the benefits that most of your competitors won't have, which is what's going to help you build a successful store. And not just that, they also help you get custom branding and print on demand, both with no minimum order quantity. That is a massive advantage if you're getting into POD or if you want to have custom branding on your products and your packaging. This is something that's going to set you apart from everyone else in your space that's selling your product. And on top of that, in terms of shipping, they also help you work with major carriers like FedEx, DHL, USPS, and a bunch more. And what that basically means is your shipping is sorted. You're going to get fast shipping, reliable shipping, and there you go. You're set to start a real brand store that's actually going to get sales, that's actually going to scale, and people are going to come back to buy more from you because you are a trusted brand now. You're not just any other dropshipper who's getting from AliExpress, Pocket, or Zendrop, but really buying from actual manufacturers, working with big shipping companies, and having custom branding with no minimum order quantity. Again, I am not paid to promote any of this. These are ones that were personally used and tested, and I can tell you these work, and this is one of the best options out there. Again, there's one more after this, which I think is the best overall, but this is the second best out of all the ones that I've tried, which leads me to the number one supplier that I recommend you check out, which is HyperSKU. Now, this is one of the most reliable options on the list, and I highly recommend you check it out. The reason for this is because we personally use this, and it works like a charm. Now, HyperSKU has over 2,000 vetted suppliers in China. It gives you faster shipping, and it is very reliable. So once you sign up, you connect your store, your orders sync automatically. Your product gets sourced from pre-vetted factories. Again, these are factories that have been quality checked, and the shipping is reliable. The shipping is not going to say 4 days and then come in 7 days. It is reliable, and that's one of the most important things, to have no chargebacks, have people that are happy when they buy from you. Now, what separates this from any other basic supplier is the branding capability. Now, HyperSKU offers actual production methods like embroidery, heat press, screen printing that you can use in your products and your shipping, which means you can have your products built out and produced to look genuinely that they are produced from your brand. Not only drop shipping, but genuine branded products. Also, there is no monthly subscription. You only pay a small handling fee per order, and that's it. You're basically getting this service, the supplier, for absolutely free. The shipping is fast, it's reliable, and that is why this is the best option out there. One of my favorites that I recommend you use. Now, the only downside is they focus more on quality of suppliers than just quantity. So again, they have a smaller quantity of suppliers, only about 2,000 to 3,000 suppliers, but they are top-notch quality. So if you can find your product, they can source your product. I highly recommend you use, because the US shipping is amazingly fast, it's amazingly reliable, and one of the best out there. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the top 5 suppliers that I recommend you check out for your products if you want to build a successful store in 2026. These are suppliers that no one is really talking about. I don't see anyone else mention this. So I'm giving you insider info. These are ones that we've tested, that has worked for us and our clients. And again, as I mentioned at the start of the video, if you have a store, struggling with your store, you're running ads, maybe you're not getting sales, you're getting some sales, you want to scale, anything you have problems with, click the first link in the description, fill out the free form. We'll do a free audit for you, a free audit of your store and your ad account, tell you exactly what's going wrong, where it's going wrong, and how to fix it. Again, that's absolutely free, just a way of me giving back to you guys for being a part of the channel. All I ask is you like, you subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.